So market is going to be the potential place which is going to determine what is the which is going to judge you as the entrepreneur, whether your entrepreneurship skills are good or not. It is judged by the market, because if people are going to buy your product, then your entrepreneurship skills are going to be evaluated. So market is the potential of the market constitutes the major determinant of probable rewards from entrepreneurial function. So you are going to get rewarded from the public for your actions. Okay. Size and composition of market influences entrepreneurship. The size and composition of market. So whether you are going to target a huge market or whether you're going to target a small portion of the market, which composition you're going to target, so that is going to add skills to your entrepreneurship behavior. And monopoly in a particular product becomes more influential for entrepreneurship than competitive market. So monopoly means you are introducing one product which is available, which is only available in that domain or area. You are introducing a soap which is the only soap available in that particular field, means that is going to be very beneficial for you because there is no competitor for that, and you are going to, whatever the product is going to be sold, the entire profit is going to come to you. So if monopoly is there, then that is going to be very good for entrepreneurship than being a competitive market. The competitive market, you have a lot of competitors, you have to fight with them and then prove that your product is good, and then you have to establish a market. So if it is monopoly means, then things become very easy for you, because there is only one product which is your product for the public, and they will start using it if they like it. So there is a huge boost in sales if you are going to have a monopoly. But the disadvantage of competitive market can be managed by improvement in transportation system and increasing the demand for producer goods. Even if you're not having monopoly, if you're having a competitive market, that is also going to be not an issue for you. If you manage that, if you ensure that your products are delivered on time, and if you're able to meet the increasing demand, then you are going to be successful in your market. See, monopoly is best for entrepreneurs, budding entrepreneurs. But if monopoly is not available, many competitors are available in the market for your product, means what you can do, you can manage the improvement in transportation system, ensure that the transportation system is sound enough so that you deliver the products on time, or the products are available throughout the year by proper transportation system of your enterprise, and the increasing the demand for producer goods. So if you, even if the demand is going to increase, if you are able to meet the demand successfully within a short period of time, that is also going to be a very good advantage for you as an entrepreneur. So the four economic factors have to be dealt with very, very carefully: capital, raw material, labor, and market. So if you are going to target these economic factors properly and ensure that these economic factors are properly managed in your company, then the other factors can be easily handled. Okay. And the other factors, you see, non-economic factors are social conditions, psychological factors, legitimacy of entrepreneur. Under social, we have legitimacy of entrepreneurship, social mobility, marginality, security under social condition. Under psychological factors, we have achievement and withdrawal of status respect. So if we are able to handle these things properly, then I think the non-economic factors are not going to play any significant role in the development of the country, in the development of your enterprise.